AI is the defining technology of our time, said Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Since the term artificial intelligence was firstly introduced in 1955, it has come a long way from a far-fetched technology in science fiction movies to the milestone where it can literally transform and revolutionize all aspects of life. Knowingly or unknowingly, human beings are all involving AI applications in our everyday lives. The application of AI interventions impacts various fields of telecommunications, personal devices, transportation, life and medical sciences, and many more. According to WIPO's Technology Trends Report 2019, machine learning is the dominant AI technique, representing 89% of applications and 40% of all AI patents. Welcome to the third episode of VinFuture InnovaTalk, where we are going to explore machine learning applications in managing health data. The webinar will be chaired by Professor Ray Buntine, Director of Computer Science Program, College of Engineering and Computer Science at Vin University.
AI is skill acquisition. The idea is the system must be able to learn new skills. So it's that combination of recognition and planning for an artificial intelligence that makes it work. The big date, 2011, which is when deep learning hit, and that was a whole new capability that we could talk at length about. But that raised the bar in capability and changed everything. There's many things that can be done. Medical science is, and well, actually any profession may change. I've got to point out that key players in that task are the current human experts, because we can never replace them. We'll be working with them in making them work a lot faster and more accurate, and so that's the task.
As the speaker of the webinar, Dr. Swapnil Mishra from the University of Copenhagen will share with us about his journey of modeling COVID-19, understanding and quantifying the uncertainty.
If you look at through COVID-19, one of the biggest challenges in understanding the spread and basically quantifying what has been happening in COVID-19 is that you are really not certain what's there. And it's not certain with all aspects. It's not just that you're not certain about this, you're not certain about the rate of transmission or how much really is the effect. Other uncertainty has been that you are really not sure about whether the data that you are getting is true or how much of lags there is data. Now, which meant you are basically in a space where everything is less. Neither you have got good models that can do good estimations, nor you have got good enough high quality data that you can do everywhere. The overall purpose is obviously the one purpose was to make a model and help in a way at that point of time the whole community and the whole world to realize what's really happening about COVID and people to understand the role of variants in a much better way. But the overall aim is not this, right? The overall aim is once we go further and to be more prepared for the next pandemic. So if something happens again, which are the right models to use? What's the right way to really quantify uncertainty?
Especially for this month's webinar, it is our honor to introduce the special guest speaker, Professor Yinyu Ye from Stanford University. As the KT Lee Professor of Engineering at Institute of Computational and Mathematical Engineering, Stanford University, he will join the panel discussion with Professor Ray Buntine and reflect on the sharing of Dr. Swapnil Mishra with opinions from his own experiences in the field. Coming soon on August 25, 2 p.m. Vietnam time, which corresponds to August 25th, 9 a.m. in Copenhagen. Are you ready to join our next InnovaTalk?